Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sean from TechDrives.com. It comes to St. Pete, and I have another laptop unboxing for you guys today. It's of the Surface laptop. This is the original Surface laptop, not the second generation that just came out in like the black color. Um, Pretty much the specifications on this guy are going to be your Core i5. It's a seventh generation processor because it's the first generation. You're going to get 8 gigs of RAM with a 128 solid state drive. However, there's higher configurations. This is one of the lower configurations, the base being a Core M3 with 4 gigs of RAM and a 128 SSD. I'm just trying it out right now. I still have my HP. I'm actually getting it repaired at the moment. I'll give you guys some follow-up feedback if you guys do want it on that. Just drop that in the comments of this video so I know that there's some interest towards that. That being said, let's get to the unboxing. You see, it's a Surface, really nice packaging. It retailed for about $1,000 when it first came out. However, it's a little bit less now, especially because it's on sale because the new one came out. One big thing to note is that it does run Windows 10s. Windows 10s is more of like a light version of Windows 10. The S kind of like a simplified version of Windows. And pretty much what it does is it makes you go to the Windows Store to download applications and programs as opposed to being able to do it directly off the web like a normal Windows 10 computer can. That being said, when Microsoft first announced this product, they made it a big deal that you can opt out of the Windows 10s within the first year of the product coming out. I've heard that they've extended that pretty much to the whole span of the product, and especially on the Surface Laptop 2, they don't even offer the Windows 10s as an option anymore. It's just, it just runs stock Windows 10 Home Edition. So I am curious to see if I do opt out of the S, if it'll actually give me the Pro version or the Home version. Home is standard. Pro comes with a little bit of encryption and allows you to do some like remote desktop features and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, this is the box of it. Let me take it out for you guys. I apologize, I don't have my tripod on me right now. So we have the laptop up front, it's in the platinum color. Take that out. Looks like we have some other accessories in here. Assuming this is a charger. Yep, Surface charger. And in this box, you have some manual documentation. That's about it. And this thing's in there too, so I can't even take that out. So let's put this off to the side and let's get to the laptop. So you can see it's in this nice piece of plastic right there. One big piece about the Surfaces is that they're engineered really meticulously, so there's no like seams or screws or anything like that you'd see on like other products. And if you look at the design of the Surface, you can definitely see that Microsoft did a good job at that. So actually there's just one quick pull tab down here. Just gonna pull that back. Kind of rip the plastic a little bit. There we go. And again, come on. And here we go. And there we go. It's a 13.5 inch Pixel Sense screen. I think it's like a 2K resolution. You have that Alcantara fabric on the keyboard. Very nice, feels very good. Windows Hello facial recognition up top with the camera, and you have some IR sensors, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 802.11 AC. You can see some bands for your antenna right there, that lighter gray, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack, mini display port, and you have a USB 3.0 connector there, and you have your Surface connector on this side. Very similar I/O on the Surface Laptop 2. Pretty much the biggest difference is that you're going to get a USB-C connector. That you're not going to get a USB-C connector on the Surface Laptop 2. That's what a lot of people are unfortunately not very happy about, the fact that USB-C, on a 2018 laptop, it doesn't at least have one port. So you guys can see it's booting up here. I'm going to get it set up and should be all set. You're obviously going to get the Microsoft Precision drivers and the trackpad, fully backlit keyboard. So overall, it's a nice piece of hardware. Anyways, guys, me Sean from TechDrives.com. You come to St. Pete. Again, I apologize for the quality of this unboxing. Figured I'd get it out to you guys real quick if anybody was interested in it. If you have any questions while I do have this Surface laptop, let me know, and I'll try to get them answered for you. Other than that, drop them in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys in a later video. Again, I'll probably end up having this for about 1 to 3 weeks or so. So if you guys do have any questions, make sure you drop them in, relatively soon. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you guys in a later video. You guys have a nice day.